Hello, viewers. Welcome to our channel, The Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well. I'm also good. So, today in this video, I am going to analyze gold, that is XAU-USD, and I will try to analyze USD-Cad also because there is an inflation data will release of Canada today. And I try to explain you how to find potential trade setups for today as well as tomorrow on gold and USD-CAD. So, all right, let's take a look at the fundamentals before jump into the chart of gold. Okay, let me show you economic calendar first. This is the economic calendar for today, and you can see there is no any very high impact news or high impact news of USD, but there is a very high impact news of Canada. That is inflation data will release of Canada today. So if you can check the CPI month over month, the previous data was negative and this time it expected, that means forecasted, greater than the previous. So we may see a negative data for Canada. Okay, if it came negative, we may see a bullishness on USD-CAD as well. So it will depend on other data also. There is a median CPI and trimmed CPI. Trimmed CPI means there is the core CPI year over year. The inflation of Canada almost on their target mandate. So the Canadian dollar is relatively weak this time. So we'll look when the news will release and try to find the setups for USD-CAD as well. So now let's move to the chart of gold for technical analysis and possible trade setups for today. Okay. Okay. This is the day frame of gold in front of us. In this day structure, you can see this is a bullish break of structure in day also, and market create a new higher high at this level, and this is higher low and higher high. Okay, this is the recent market structure in day. Higher high, then higher high, and it is higher low. Okay, the market is clearly bullish in day. Let's delete all the drawing. If we check on 4 hour, there is also a bullish break of structure in 4 hour frame. Okay, and this is the bullish break of structure, and market has created a very nicely higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then new higher high. And we have this 3 point of interest to join the current trend, that is bullish trend, and market had taking correction from this zone. So the correction may come up to this level or this level. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, so this is the 3 point of interest in 4-hour frame. Let's move to the 1-hour frame to find the potential trade setups for today. In 1-hour frame, the structure is remains same as per 4-hour frame and the level is same. Okay. So if price come to this level, we may initiate buy. But mind one thing, after breaking of this, during the breaking of this resistance, after break, market has tested this zone already and go up. That means this demand zone has mitigated, and that's why market may come to this zone and bounce, small bounce from here, and after that it may test this zone, and there is a unmitigated order block. Okay, if you check in 4-hour frame, you can see there is a still a unmitigated order block. Look, let me delete this drawing. There is still a unmitigated order block here. There is a huge fair value gap. Before this fair value gap, market has created a bearish candle. That means this is a order block, and market need to retrace up to this level. Okay. So our strategy will be simple for today, because today there is no any high impact news of USD. That means we may see less volatility in the market today. So if we get the price at this zone, we may initiate a buy for small profit like this. Okay. After that, we may see for next buy from here. Okay. For long term. Okay. Whenever market approaching this level, this zone, monitor market carefully. If you get any evidence of rejection from this level, only that scenario you can initiate a buy from here. If it break with momentum candles, do not initiate any buy from here. Wait for this level. Okay. And another thing in the market is there is a inducement created by the price. Inducement is nothing but a hunting of SL, the procedure to hunt of SL. How market create inducement? Whenever market move either upward, either downward like this with impulse, that after market create a correction. If market when create this correction, if it create relative lows, either relative equal highs like this is relative equal highs, and this is a relative equal lows. In that case, there is a SL of retail traders, and this is called inducement. Okay, if you can see carefully in this zone, you can see there is a relative equal highs and market induced at this position. That means the SL of retail traders are put there. So in that scenario, market need to hunt all the SLs above this resistance. So market may go up and spike up to this zone and come down again. That means there could be a false breakout. So in that case, we may initiate a sell after false breakout from this area up to this zone. Okay. Let me show you in zoom. Let me zoom this. Okay. Look. There is a relative equal highs. That means it is a inducement by the market. And now it may spike up to this resistance and come again down. Whenever market act like this, spike up and come down, that means false breakout, we may initiate a sell after retest of this zone up to this level like this. Okay, this is our selling strategy for today. Okay, so let's look in a 15-minute frame once. If you want to trade on London session, because today there is no any news, we may see a less volatility in the London session also. So you may initiate a small buy from this support also. This is a support in 15-minute frame. You may initiate a buy from this support for small profit, like 50 to 60 pips. Okay. This is a small profit scalping trade setup for today. Okay. So that's all in gold for today. Sorry. Let's look the USD-Cad once. If there are any trade setup. Okay, in USD-Cad, let's looks on day chart first. In day candle in USD-Cad, it has begun a good selling from here. Okay, showing a good selling with ultra high volume. That means this is a good selling zone and there is a good supply. After that, market create a structure like this, higher lower low, lower high, and probably the next lower low will be there. So in that scenario, market is bearish for now. So we need to find the sell setup for USD-CAD. Let me check in 4-hour frame. In 4-hour frame, if I mark the structure, it is also bearish like this, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, then lower low is created. This is the bearish structure in 4-hour frame. Okay, as per 4-hour frame, this is an unmitigated order block. Look the fair value gap here and bullish candle followed by 3 bearish candle. Okay, so there is a good chance if we get the price at this zone, we may see a sale from here right after release of news. This is our first trade strategy for USD-CAD today. So note this price. This is 1.3663 to 1.3676. Okay. 1.3663 to 1.3676. This is a first selling setup for USD-CAD today. Okay. And mind one thing, this is a day support. So definitely whenever market approach this zone, market will bounce from here because this is a higher time frame support. Okay, so our target should be at this zone only. Okay, when we initiate a sell here, our target should be there. That means approx 80 pips. Okay, and our SL will be there. Okay, so the first trade setup is here, and after that, if price able to break this resistance with momentum candles, we may initiate a sell once again from this zone. This is still unmitigated order block area and market structure point of interest is there. This is also a point of interest. This is also a point of interest. So in this 2 point of interest, there is a 2 order block. Okay. So, and these order blocks are still unmitigated. There is a very good chance whenever market approach this order block, either this order block, we may initiate a sell in USD-Cad. And if after release of news, market hit this zone directly, we may initiate a buy from here because this is a day structural support, and definitely we may get some profit from this zone also. Okay, but wait for the confirmation whenever market approach this day support. Okay, so that's all trade setups in the USD-Cad also. So I think viewers, you understand all the things. So all right, that wraps up today's analysis for gold and USD-Cad. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest content, tips, and strategies, and that really help you to trade smarter and more profitably. So thanks for watching, my dear viewers, and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video on tomorrow. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye.